friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Sil's guitar lesson and my name is Rupam. तो आज हम कर रहे हैं ये गाना Cheap Thrills by Sia. Amazing song. And you know what? I have made this song so easy for you guys. Only 4 parts. Tabs line by line दिया रहेगा. You can just see it and you can just play it. हो जाएगा. This song has been requested by Sachin and Tiwari ji. And to all the beginners, those who are learning English song, those who are learning single string lesson, this song will be very easy for you all. Okay? तो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है, please do subscribe, please do comment, please share. Okay? So let's go to the lesson. So let's start with the first part. Come on, turn your radio on. It's Friday night and it won't be long. Okay? So let's play this part. So how it sounds? So it's like this. Okay, so it starts with, there are 2 notes which is in the B string. Other than that, जो भी notes है सब E string में. So it starts with B0, B2, B0, B2, B2, B0, B2, E2, 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 E0, 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 E2, E0, E0, 3 times, okay? E0 at the end. So, let's come to the next part. Gonna do my hair, so put a makeup on, it's Friday night and it won't be long. So how to play this? It's very easy. So it starts with, okay? Okay, so it starts with B2, B0, B2, B0, B2, B2, B0, B2, E2, 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 E0, 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 E2, E2, E0, E0, E0. So, ये full part जो है, okay, whatever you have learned till now, let's play it once. You will get the idea. Okay, so it's like this. So let's come to the second part. Till I hit the dance floor, I got all I need. So how to play this? So it's like this. Okay, so it starts with E5, 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 E7, E4, E5, E5, E7, E4, E5, 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 E0, E0. Then comes, no, I ain't got a cash, I got you, baby. Okay, so it starts from E2, E4, E5, E7, E4, E4, E5, E7, E4, E4, E5, 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 E0, E0. Okay, so this part, let me play once, you'll get the idea. So it's like this. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Thrills. So how to play this? Okay, so it starts with E2, E4, E5, E2, 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 5 times. E0, E2, E2, E0, E0. Then I love cheap thrills will be E0, 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 E0. Okay, so this part you have to play 2 times. Let me play, you will get the idea. So it's like this. So now let's come to the last part of the song. I don't need no money, as long as I can feel the beat. Alright, so it starts like this. Okay, so it starts with B2, E2, E4, E5, E4, E2, B2, B0, B2, B2, E2, E4, E5, E4, E2, B2, B0. So this part you have to play 2 times. Okay, so let me play, you will get the idea. So it's like this. This is the first part. Second part, same to same you can play. Then you can finish the song. Yahoo! We are done with this song. Only 4 parts, done. Okay? Any song, any lesson you want to learn, always approach me. I'm there for you guys. Okay? And if you like it, please do subscribe, please comment, please give a like. And till then, till the next video, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you guys.